Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Today I'm going to be doing some weird stuff. So I'm going to transfer an image onto this wood panel, and then I'm going to use my soldering iron to burn into that. And then I might paint it or I might not. I don't know, depending on how it turns out. But we'll see. You know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so here is the finished product. As you see, I burned in the outline and then I just painted the design. It was really simple. And that was really fun. I'd like to do more of these, so I'm gonna, in the future, maybe buy some more wood pieces and just start making these designs. These are fun to make. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. I may or may not list this on my Etsy. I haven't decided yet. Okay, bye.